Hello friends, today we are unboxing these animals.
Wow!
Wow. See? Let's play with it. Giraffe. Kangaroo. Lion. Tiger. Deer. One more deer. Plants.
Wow!
Deer in black color. Deer in yellow color. Tiger in red color. Giraffe in yellow color. Lion in brown color. Kangaroo in green color. Wow! We have so much animals. Yay! Oh, plant. We have a tree. These are two trees in green color. Deer, giraffe, lion, kangaroo, wow, tiger, and a deer. Yay! Animals! Bye bye!